Hi, my name is Seth Holland. I'm a lawyer with Williams HR Law. The frequently asked question I'll be answering in this video is, what are the new COVID-19 related leaves in Ontario and how do they work? On March 19th, the Ontario government introduced two new leaves of absence related to COVID-19 through an amendment to the Employment Standards Act. The first is the declared emergency leave, which is available to any employee who is unable to work because of a declared emergency in Ontario. The second, infectious disease emergency leave, is available to any employee who is unable to work because of a designated infectious disease, including COVID-19. Now, under the infectious disease emergency leave, employees are entitled to an unpaid, job-protected leave of absence when the employee's absence is because they are under medical investigation, supervision, or treatment related to COVID-19, acting in accordance with an order under public health legislation, in quarantine, isolation, or subject to a control measure as a result of government information or direction related to COVID-19, put off work by their employer due to a concern that they may expose others in the workplace to COVID-19, providing care or support to certain family members, including the employee's sibling, parent, or child as a result of COVID-19, including in response to daycare or school closures, or the employee is unable to return to Ontario because of travel restrictions related to COVID-19. Now, under the second declared emergency leave, employees are also entitled to an unpaid, job-protected leave of absence where they were unable to work because of an Ontario declared emergency. And the leave is also related to one of the following: a government order under emergency legislation, a public health order under public health legislation, or the employee is required to provide assistance to certain family members, including the employee's parent, sibling, or child. Now, all provincially regulated employees in Ontario are entitled to these unpaid leaves. Any of these leaves may continue for as long as the employee is unable to work because of COVID-19 or a declared emergency. Employers are prohibited from asking for a doctor's note in support of these leaves. Employees are entitled to ask for evidence that is appropriate in the circumstances in support of a leave. However, the government has not provided any guidance as to what would be appropriate evidence in the circumstances. So employers need to assess on a case-by-case basis what would be reasonable. For more information on this, please see my FAQ video on the subject of medical notes and appropriate evidence for COVID-19 related leaves. For more on leave entitlements, please see the other resources in this COVID-19 Resource Center. I hope you have found this video informative. Keep well and stay safe.